Yes, my people, good day. Time to change the oil on a BMW M3. Step 1 is start it up. It have to run and get up to operating temperature. See that oil temp right there, sir? Yeah, operating temperature that. So now we are able to change the oil. W time. Ta-da! Get out your instruction. Hopefully right side up. Step 1, carry out work on vehicle only when wearing oil and heat resistant, okay? Perform engine oil service when engine is at normal operating temperature. An exact engine oil temperature is only determined with the engine oil above 70 degrees Celsius, all right? Pull off anti-twist lock. You see the picture? So you have to now look and match. You understand? Swipe or no swiping. Risk of scalding. So careful you're working on this thing. The remaining engine oil cannot drain into the oil sump until the oil filter cover has been released. Release oil filter cap, number 1. See it there? Boom, boom. So it creates a vacuum so the oil can drain all the way. So they want you to crack this loose first. Let us go ahead and do that.
You will need a specialty tool for this to remove that oil filter housing cap. Do not put some pliers on it. Don't do that.
Right, so we're under here. Take a look at what it's like under here. Big skid plate, splash shield. It's aluminum and it's also pretty thick. We have a drain plug here. We have another drain plug here. Not very many vehicles have 2 drain plugs. And it well warm too. Let me tell you, remember it was running. Drain here and drain here and leave it draining.
Notice how gentle I am when removing these oil drain plugs. Don't raw dog it. They are small and they can strip out. So take your time, be gentle.
That is a lot of oil. This is what we end up with. Oil filter housing with the old filter, 2 drain plugs, and a new filter right here. Now, pay attention. There is something different between these 2 drain plugs. They look the same. You can tell. Let me bring you in a little bit closer. This drain plug still has its crush washer on there, the sealing ring. This one does not. What does that mean? That means the other sealing ring either fell off, which is fine, or it is still stuck to the oil pan. That one is not there. That's all metal. That's good. Let me check the one in the back. Almost look like a ring. Almost look like a ring, but it's not a ring. It's a helicoil in there. Or it might come like that, I don't know. And if you put the new one on top of the old one, you're going to get a leak. They call this a double gasket and you run the risk of springing a leak. This is the new part now. So we have this big O-ring. It goes here. And then the small one, you see that one in there? That one goes here.
Remove the new things from the bag and then also remember to
discard of it appropriately.
The filter element just sits up in there, so with a firm hand you can just pull it and it will dislodge and you can remove it. Then use a small pick, Harbor Freight Special, some of you might recognize, and get under the O-rings and just work them off gently. Remove the old O-ring, install the new O-ring. But this one key point right here, you see me lubricating the new O-ring, just get a little oil, rub it on there, helps with the installation. Some of these oil filter elements have a up and a down, but most of them don't. So just look and see what's written on it. Then afterwards, I use my little evacuation pump and I remove the oil residue that was in the oil filter housing. It just too much was in there, you know what I mean? And the ADD kicking in, I just can't let it go. Put the new filter in, tighten it.
It's a 25 Newton meters. That's not a lot. That's about it. Not too tight. Oil fill cap. Get to funnel because we're not as young as we once was. 10W60 straight from the M series BMW. And there goes the rest. There goes the rest. 8.5, not quite 9. So that's how you change your oil on an M3. Yeah, there's a little trick to it. Yes, 2 drain plug. Yes, thick engine oil. Yes, heat it up before you change it. Yes. But just read the instruction, follow it, and you'll be good to go. Have confidence, man. You got this. Yeah, man. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bless. Yeah.
And don't forget to go in and reset the oil change interval setting. Yeah, man. Don't forget to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel.